Enti yankosho futuo ya sofo panin Eastwood Anaba e de ama mma nyina. Obi a ya wo no atete no anyine e benya bia be 25 years, 30 years. Medofo enye na betimi asesa no. Se ni suba no wo ho a. Ti so wo kobu relationship bi mu na hu se nipa we se ni se wo hu red flags bi nim ni ade. Menye wadwen se wo ne champion no na aba besesa no. Hu niema bi a wo mpe e wo ho atwo ho boko menkowura mu ansa because wura mu a wo pia nya bete wo mpie wakam timoni enda ho yenkotie sofo pani Eastwood Anaba futuo yi a ode ma mma nyina entie bibra.
Let me tell you these people, especially you those women under the sound of my voice. One thing you should never see in a man and ignore and go and still marry him is a man who is quick-tempered or has a bad temper. Solve that problem before you marry. Number two, a man who is a womanizer and cheats on you even before the marriage. Please make sure you deal with it before you marry. Number three, a man who is stingy, armstrong, quick hand. Since your relationship, he has never given you a handkerchief. And he's saying one day when we marry, one day when you marry, he will bury you. He's marrying you to bury you. Three things: quick-tempered man, stingy man, and what is the other one? Fornicator. Even in relationship, he's seeing another woman. You know, when you are in relationship, apart from your girlfriend, you don't see anybody else. Hey, she's everything. She's everything.
Nti we no so ti ase. Pepe ni ze chi dine. Odi ana ko paaje mwani na ho. Go we hu ne na sa na ote e odi bewuram. Nti menyo ho ehwa ho fe ne nko a. Ti yenye steady futu osofo pani de e mamma nyina so eno no